This is the best broccoli recipe you've ever seen. In a container, add 500 grams of chopped chicken breast, black pepper to taste, salt to taste, oregano to taste, spicy paprika to taste, and 3 tablespoons of oil. Mix well, remembering that you can season it any way you want. Transfer the chicken to a skillet and fry until golden. In a container, add 500 grams of broccoli, salt to taste, black pepper to taste, and oil to taste. With your hands, mix the ingredients very well. Do you like broccoli? If yes, leave it here in the comments. I love broccoli. In a saucepan, add 70 grams of butter and let it melt. Then, add 70 grams of wheat flour and mix. As soon as the flour dissolves, add 700 milliliters of milk. Mix well, and when the cream thickens, remove from the heat. In a refractory, place the chicken that we cooked before, spread it out, and add the broccoli on top. I want to send a big hug to Morgan Evans from Boston, Massachusetts, and to Raven Hawkins from Seattle, Washington. Thank you so much for following our work. Pour the white sauce over the broccoli and place in a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. Remove from oven and add grated cheese on top and bake again for 15 minutes or until the cheese melts. If you don't like broccoli, you can substitute another vegetable of your choice, which is also delicious. Okay, this recipe is very creamy and tasty. You need to test it there at your house. And if you do, don't forget to tell me here in the comments what you think. Hope you enjoyed this recipe. Don't forget to like and share. A kiss, and until next time.